Any thoughts that went through your mind in making a decision?
No, it's something that I was pondering for many years, and I just decided that the time was right, and I'm really glad that I did it.
Today we're going to present Bob. He's 58 years old and had a hair transplant 6 months ago. It was a follicular unit excision, 2,500 grafts. Pre-op, he had a Norwood 3/Norwood 4 pattern, and I'm going to show you his photographs pre-op. You can see here that he had, this entire area was quite low density. So more like a Norwood 4, and you can see the areas of hair loss here on each side.
Okay.
Now, let us see the results here. So let's concentrate on the hairline. This is 6 months. The hairline is very natural and it's high density. So you can see the hairline here. High density, natural, after only 6 months. This is transplanted hair. This is natural hair. You can see the imperceptible transition between transplanted and natural hair. Chin up, please. So Bob, what do you think?
I'm very happy with the results.
In 6 months.
In 6 months, yeah. I started to get good results after about 3 or 4 months, and it just keeps on getting better.
And what do you think of your hairline?
I love it. I love it. My friends say it looks very natural, so I'm very pleased.
And the growth, the hair density?
Is good as well.
Yeah. I remember at the beginning you were obviously nervous, you had some doubts, but I think over time things have turned out extremely well.
Absolutely.
Anything to say about the clinic?
Just very professional. I also appreciated all of the phone calls for the 10 days after the procedure to make sure that I was following the guidelines appropriately.
Any advice for anybody looking to do a transplant?
Go for it.
And you're 58 years old.
Mm-hmm.
This is your first transplant. Any thoughts that went through your mind in making a decision?
No, it's something that I was pondering for many years, and I just decided that the time was right, and I'm really glad that I did it.
And how did you come to decide upon this clinic?
I did reach out to a number of clinics. I think I just liked your manner, the information that you provided, and I liked the fact that you said that the team here had been working with you for many years. So that was comforting.
And are you looking forward to a great summer?
I am.